how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch. This is going to be a complete beginner's guide. So if you're new to the channel, you're going to want to watch this video right until the end so you don't miss out on all the juicy bits that I'm going to be sharing with you. Now, my name is Andy Mattis. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content that I drop on how to make money online so that you can sack your boss and live a true life of passion, freedom, and fulfillment. And this isn't something that just I do. This is something that I've been able to help many students across the world, create their own affiliate marketing business and start making commissions. We've got Dave King here from the UK, who was making commissions, was able to quit his job. We've got Pascal Kurz here making commissions, and we've also got Srini here making commissions from India. So if you've watched any of my content in the past, you will always hear me banging on about this. But the very first thing that you're going to need to be doing is for you to select a niche, okay? And there are three main niches within the online space, and they are health, wealth, and relationships. You may be sat there thinking, Andy, why do I need a niche? Why can't I just target anyone? And the reason is because if you're just targeting anyone, let's say, for example, you're targeting business owners, your marketing message is going to be way too broad and it's not going to be speaking to a direct audience. Okay. So there's three main niches within the online space. They're health, wealth, and relationships. And within those niches, there are multiple sub niches. And obviously affiliate marketing is just a sub niche within the wealth space, right? So the next thing that you want to do is you want to do some market research to really sort of understand your niche's pains, problems, and desires. Okay, so like, what are their pains? What are those burning issues that keep cropping up for them? Like, what are those issues that are keeping them awake at night? And when you can understand this stuff, is really powerful because you can incorporate it into your marketing, make them feel like they've just kicked their bruised knee, and then basically educate them on why what you're selling is a solution to their problems. Okay, and once you can do this stuff effectively, it is extremely powerful. So now we've got the niche out of the way, the next thing that you want to do is to pick a product, okay? So I always recommend going with the private affiliate products just because they're a lot better quality than the stuff that you find on ClickBank, JVZoo, and places like that. However, if you are on a bit of a tight budget and you can't afford to invest in a private affiliate program, I recommend, then going over and maybe trying to find something decent on ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or Sharacell, okay? I do recommend selling something high ticket, and it's just a case of simple maths. If you're selling something low ticket, let's say you're selling something for $100, a common goal that we see people saying that they want is to make 10K per month, okay? So if you're selling something for $100, you need to make 100 sales in the space of a month in order to make that a reality. Now, if you are selling something that's high ticket and you're selling it for $1,000, you only need to sell 10 of those products in order for that to work. And trust me when I say it's just as easy for you to sell something high ticket as it is for you to sell something low ticket. So now we've got the niche and the product out of the way. The next thing you want to focus on is attraction marketing. Okay, so what is attraction marketing? It's essentially just putting a message out there and waiting for people to come to you instead of you having to chase them down. Now, one thing that I see a lot of people doing at the moment is the old Facebook strategy with posting, going into people's DMs cold, trying to sell them stuff. And I'm not saying that that stuff doesn't work, because it does. I built a six-figure business doing it that way. However, attraction marketing is going to bring you a lot better quality leads, because these people have actually gone off their own back to, go and check out the product that you're selling. Now, there are two types of content that I want to talk about in this video, and they are short form and long form content, okay? So short form content are things such as TikToks, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. And these are basically short 60-second videos, which can be really great for basically growing your following quite quickly and attracting a lot of leads for your business. And then we have long form content, which is extremely powerful. Now, if you just think about an old song that you may like, it could be on YouTube, it could have been posted on YouTube about 15 years ago, and that video is still getting views today. And that is the power of long form content. So if you've built a business on YouTube and you've been posting videos for 15 years, it's basically digital real estate, and those videos will continue to bring you leads and sales for many years to come. And that is the power of long form content. And then the next thing we want to think about is how can we automate the process? Okay, so we've just spoken about how we can automate our lead generation through long form and short form content, but how can we automate sales? Well, how can we automate part of the sales process if we're selling something high ticket? And this is done by building something called a funnel. Okay, a funnel is simply just a series of different web pages which take people through a certain journey out to a specific outcome. So obviously, if you have a website, you may have an about page, you may have a home page, you may have all these different places where people can click. But with a funnel, people can only go to the next step. Funnels are a great way to automate your business. And if you're getting value from this, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below and let me know what you've got from this video. I'm Andy Mattis, and I'm out.